here to the southwest side of the island. Some reports this morning of some black fins around, some yellow fins. So first thing, probably for the first 30-40 minutes, concentrate on getting a couple of the smaller black fins or the bonita or even skipjacks. And then that's a much better bait for the deep dropping, the snappers and groupers. We had some frozen ones, but you can't beat fresh bait. A lot tougher, stays on the hook a lot better. Once they're frozen, they kind of going to go a little mushy. By the time you drop it down, you know, we're dropping anywhere from 800 down to 1200 feet. By the time it gets down, it's just disintegrated.
It's like the difference between the buffet at the Mandarin Oriental and Sandy Lane.
Exactly.
You know,
exactly
you don't want that stuff. The Mandarin stuff. Sandy Lane will take it. Set up for our first drop of the day. We're down in about 700 feet of water. Same setup as yesterday. We've got the blackfin tuna and some squid mixed on. Didn't get any fresh ones again. They're being really picky. I can't believe that we're not getting them on those little tuna feathers too. And the guy right there is catching a boatload, which is right where before we stopped. You can see the water here is kind of calm. Kind of looks like an oil slick where we are. That's actually the oil from all the herring that the tuna around here were feeding on. You can smell it too. It's pretty pungent. It smells like omega-3 pills that you get at the drugstore. So they're all around us, but they're not biting. So we still got some decent frozen bait on. It will work. Now we just got to make them bite. Still a very windy day. Not a day to go offshore. Frustrating start to the day. Dom's boat sank. Can't buy a tuna out here. And I've got the sniffles. The AC in the room it's all No, like seriously, you set it to like 68, 69, and then it'll cool down, and then it'll like go radio silent for 5 hours, and then at 4 in the morning. Sounds like a goddamn Michael Bay film. Okay, we've got the 520 Johnny Jig slow pitch in the orange Fire Tiger pattern. I love it. Got my new Daiwa Saltiga LD35JH. Perfect slow pitch reel, 2-speed, great stopping power. The Temple Reef Gravitate 3.0 G2 medium power. So let's see if we can get in those yellow eyes down there. Jesus, look at the bend in this rod already with 520. This rod's actually only rated for 400 grams. So let's see. Finally, we hooked up to something. Looks like it's going to be a little yellow eye snapper. We're in about 450 feet of water. These yellow eyes love living around 450 to 600. Not a yellow eye, this is a black wing snapper. Very similar to a yellow eye. It's still got the yellow tinge on its dorsals, and it's got the 2 front fangs, indicative of pretty much every snapper species we have. They feed in the same depth as yellow eyes, and they are absolutely delicious. Almost look like an American red, a smaller version of one. And they're called black wing because, well, it's a little obvious, but they've got black on the start of their pec fins there. This is a small one. Good ones usually are upwards of 6 or 7 pounds. But this one will be great for eating tonight. Get 2 nice fillets off that. Down the gill plate. Down to the backbone. Lateral cut. There we go. These electric blades are so good for fish with scales because it's a lot harder to go through the backbone with sturdier fish like these. There we go. See the skeleton? Completely translucent. You can see right through. No meat wasted. Feed the sharks. Look at this. This is like a balancing act. To not lose the fillet through these cracks. Like filleting on a tightrope. Beautiful. Shoulder meat there. Got out. There you have it. 2 beautiful blackwing snapper fillets. There's a little row pin bones here. We're going to take those out in the kitchen because I don't want to lose this meat through these cracks. Gorgeous. Rough day. I want to go see some parrots. Would you like to see some parrots?
Arnold is an African Grey Parrot, and I met him about 2 years ago when I was filming here. He's still here. Hey, buddy. Hi, Arnold. They make the coolest sound. It's like, hi, buddy. I missed you. And how did Arnold get here? Was he on a boat from Africa?
We had a call here, and they said there's a parrot on a boat. And I said, what kind of parrot? They said, we don't know. And so I called Department of Environment. It ended up being Arnold at the sailing club on a boat by himself. And then they picked him up, looked for his owner, never found an owner. Oh, he's on the door.
We are now live inside a parrot cage here at the Cayman Parrot Sanctuary. You're okay, buddy. He's okay. He's okay. He's okay. Hi, buddy. Oh, there he goes.
He doesn't know you, right?
I know. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. He's so beautiful. Arnold. Hi, buddy. You are beautiful. You are beautiful.
Can someone let me out of the cage? You might not want to let me out, but... Ow!
Oh, that's not nice, Arnold. That's not nice.
Here we go. Go, 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 go. No, actually let me out of the cage.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Go, 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 go.
Woo!
Yeah.
So now we're in the Cayman Parrot cage. We've got Joker and Flip. Woo! Joker's on the move. We've got snacks for Joker and Flip here. Ready? Watch this. Hey, buddy. Ready for some nuts? Yes! So awesome. Look at him peel the shell. He loves his nut. Atta boy. Yeah. Look at how close this guy is. Oh. Watch this. Ready? Oh, 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 oh. Hi. Hi. Oh, they're so smart. I'm going down it.
Why are they there?
Okay, we've got avalanche, slingshot, and twister. Here we go. I made it. It worked.
Better than the McDonald's playpens.
Oh, come on.
True story.
You don't believe
So those ones are faster if you really want to have fun.
I don't know if I'm ready for the slingshot. This is Miko. Hi, Miko. Hi.
And Miko, that's a temporary enclosure for Miko. Miko's actually going in there once we're finished setting it up. All right, yeah, he's a yellow-headed Amazon.
Can you talk for us? Do you like me? Nuh-uh. That's okay. Wow, look at that. So how big will these get when they're full grown?
About 3 times the size. So they don't get very big, maybe this long, about 3 times the thickness. They're nocturnal. They're known as our friendly snake or lazy snake. They're endangered because they're also very easy to pick up, because if you find them under a rock, you can just pick them up. They don't run away like the Cayman racer snake will just run away.
Dwarf boa.
I can't say.
There, buddy.
Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco.
Coco's one of the most
Hey, buddy.
interactive and talkative.
Hi. You are so beautiful. Yeah, you know you are, don't you? What the? Did you hear him talk? What are you saying? You want the wind to die down? Yeah, me too. Huh? He's looking, he's looking. There he goes. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh! Dude. Now that they know it's okay. Oh, they're gonna fight. No way. I'm a cockatoo wrangler. Look at this. I got 2 cockatoos. What do you have? Not 1 cockatoo. Yes. Yes, it is. It is awesome. You're on the goat hat, buddy. Come on. Is he still walking around? Yeah, I can feel him. This is better than a head massage. Whoa! I got 2. I got 2. I got 2 Latina birds. How many you got? None. 3. Oh my god. Look at this. They love it. Oh, he's chewing on the buttons of my hat. Jesus. Dude, you don't need to be doing that. Bro, stop headbutting me. Get off the side of the hat. Come on. Here, take this. Ow! I can feel his beak now. Oh my god, look. Look at my head. Look at my head. He's crawling around. He's biting my ear! This is awesome! Ow! Ow! Christ. No, you don't need to... Dude! No! Not my sunglasses! No! Okay, here. Get off. Here. No. I can't shake him. I can't shake this guy. He's on your head. Here. Wow, they're beautiful. Look at this guy. Look at this guy up close. Look at those colors. You guys are feisty. You got a toot. Yeah, exactly. Will they go on you like this in South America, or are they just, that's their nature?
Yeah, that's what I know. It's be more, a little aggressive. I don't like to use that word aggressive, but that's what they like. They like to land on the people. They like to play. They like to nibble sometimes. They like to pull your watch. Every day they find something different.
They're playful. Yeah. Now we're going into Lil Bit's cage. All I need is love. Oh, you're hungry. Hey, buddy, you're hungry. There you go. There's your cheese. Whatever. Hey. No, there's nothing left there, buddy. I'm sorry. Okay. Here. Got him? You are hungry. Good boy. Where's he going? I feel him sniffing. Come on, buddy. There's nothing there. He's not scared at all. That's a nice boy. Yes, it is. Nice boy. Like my sandals? Come on, buddy. Where are you? Okay. A muskrat mixed with a gopher that you'd see on the DVP. Here we are at Lloyd Smokehouse. I used to eat here all the time when we were filming down here. Filming movies, not fishing. Still tastes just as good. Wow. Perfect mid-afternoon meal. Look at this. Look at this brisket. Mixed, lean, and fatty. We've got some old-fashioned cornbread. Southern style. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is my absolute favorite. The baked beans with smoked bacon. Oh my good God. Oh yeah. Yes. Can't get baked beans with smoked bacon anywhere. This is one of the only places I know. So good. Oh my God. Look at that brisket. Oh yeah. That is tender. Coleslaw we're gonna say, but look at that. Beautiful midday. Little middayer. Perfect. Let's get into it.